Just to recap, here's the Programme of Study marksheet for reading comprehension in Year 5 summer term. Imagine I'm the class teacher for this group of pupils. I enter my overall judgment for the summer term here into this column. I've already entered some grades and I'll just add a few more. Notice that I can enter grades using the same emerging, developing, secure and mastered terminology as before, but I need to prefix them with a curriculum year. Right-click the cell and choose Select Grade for Cell from the list to show all the possible grades. Note that I'm free to choose grades from other year groups. I'll enter some more grades down the list and complete my assessments. Here we go. Okay, let's say I'm finished. I've now got a column of overall assessments for reading comprehension in the summer term of Year 5. I'll save those grades by clicking here. Now, keep your eye on this column here and here's the same column with exactly the same data for the same pupils on this ordinary mark sheet. This is the bit you might not have seen before. All the grades we entered just now, the formative and the overall grades, can all be displayed in an old-fashioned ordinary mark sheet like this one. No retyping, no upload or download. As soon as we press the Save button on the other mark sheet, the data was in this mark sheet. To the left are the formative judgments that have come straight from the Programme of Study mark sheets. I've chosen to display only the formative judgments that were also school expectations. Indeed, I've chosen the school expectations to directly match the NAHT's key performance indicators. So this is a really good example of using SIMS with either the NAHT key performance indicators or perhaps Michael Tidd's key objectives. Notice that I can amend the grades directly into this mark sheet, and if I do, the Programme of Study mark sheets get updated too. And here's the overall reading comprehension grades we saw a moment ago, just as we entered them on the Programme of Study mark sheet. But because this is a mark sheet, we can also add some calculations. Here's a column that adds together the points value of each grade, and remember mastered was worth 4 points, secure was worth 3 points, and so on. Here's another column that counts how many statements are emerging. Here's one for developing, one for secure, and one for mastered. Secure and mastered, i.e. achieved, is this one. And finally, we've got a percentage secure or mastered column here. You could perhaps use these statistics to set a policy. For example, your policy might be that a pupil has to be 75% secure or mastered to be secure overall, or 50% secure and mastered to be developing overall. Press Calculate and some colours are added. Note that both the strands are visible on the mark sheet, the reading comprehension and the reading word strand here and here. But we've also got an overall reading grade here, and we can enter a grade into this column just like the rest. Here it is completed. Press Calculate to add some colours. This reading overall column can then be displayed in a term-by-term tracking mark sheet like this one. This mark sheet is perhaps a more obviously summative one, very similar to the ones we used to use for sub-levels. Okay, I'll leave this demo here. Hopefully you can see how flexible we can make the new Programme of Study mark sheets, and we can go from the fine detail of an individual element of the national curriculum all the way up to an overall summative grade. If you want this system in your school, please contact me for more details, or if you just want some tips and guidance, I'm always happy to help. Thank you.